Excuse me. Okay, I suppose we'll just leave him like that. It's absolutely crucial for me as a wheelchair user, but as an assistance dog handler especially, to be able to access green space, because these dogs do such an important job of looking after me and helping me access all areas of life. But it's really important that within that they get that downtime to just be a dog. We don't want them to be working 24/7. We want them to have that time to goof around, to run around, acting like total lunatics. And that's really important for their well-being. I consider myself lucky because I was able, through inheritance, to purchase a second wheelchair, which has enabled me to access parts of the countryside. But the cost of these wheelchairs is in excess of £15,000. That's how much it costs for a wheelchair that can access terrain like this, or how much it costs for a wheelchair that can go on the beach or through a forest. If I hadn't have had that money, I would not be able to take my dogs on a walk, because actually what you find is that a lot of the wheelchair accessible green spaces aren't able to either have dogs on there at all, or dogs must be on lead, which it's really important that they have that time off lead to be able to run about. This constant war between accessing the countryside as a wheelchair user and accessing the countryside as a dog owner, and really I'd like to try and find a meeting in the middle of that.